You've probably heard people say, malaki ang context window ng model na yan or maliit ang context window. And you're thinking, ano ba talaga ang ibig sabihin and why should you care? You're asking exactly the right question. Because this one technical term can mean the difference between AI that gives you accurate and reliable recommendations and AI that confidently misses critical details in your contracts or reports. I'm Jerry Ilaw, the co-founder of Ulearn in Turkey and the founding president of the Philippine AI Business Association. And in the next few minutes, I'll explain it in plain English using a business metaphor you won't forget and show you when it actually matters for your company. We'll cover three things. The first one is what is context window. The second is how it works. And the third one is when you need to care. So, context window is simply how much information an AI can look at one time while answering you. That's it. If you think of AI as a very smart employee, context window is the size of the employee's short-term memory while working on your request. So, imagine you're preparing for a principal meeting. Okay, so you tell your assistants, pakihanap nga lahat ng promo performance for brand X last year, kasama yung mga contracts, discount structures, and penalties. And summarize it for me. Now you have multiple contracts, 12 months of sell-in and sell-out data, email threads with special deals, and store compliance reports. Pero your assistants can only physically hold 10 pages at a time. So, yung documents mo, 100 pages, pero 10 pages lang ang kayang hawakan ng iyong assistant. So what happens? He grabs 10 pages, reads them carefully, and gives you a summary. Well, he's not lying. He's just limited. So ano nangyari doon sa 90 pages? Still on the table, invisible while he's summarizing. That's the 10-page limit. And that 10-page limit, that's your context window. So AI works the same way. So if your contracts, reports, and data exceed what the AI can hold at once, it will answer based only what it fits inside that working memory or yung context window niya. So to give you a rough feel, free AI handles roughly 10 to 20 pages at once. I know marami sa inyo gumagamit ng mga free AI tools. So again, that can only handle 10 to 20 pages at once. Yung mga paid naman and newer tools can handle hundreds of pages. And there are the most advanced model that can go even larger, 500 to more than thousands of pages. So I'll put a comparison chart in the description. Pero the key point is this. The tool you use determines how many pages the AI can see while thinking. So here's what happened behind the scenes. First is you ask the question. Your question is then broken into smaller text chunks. Okay? Ito yung tinatawag nilang tokens. Okay? We'll talk about that in another video. So think of tokens as the tiny pieces of words. Then, relevant documents are pulled in. That's your contracts, reports, emails, and whatever the system retrieves. The third one is everything is packed into one bundle. So your question plus retrieved text. And only what it fits inside that context window is processed. So anything beyond the limit is simply not seen during the answer. So just like your assistant who can only carry 10 pages, the AI can only carry up to the context limit. So uploading a 300-page contract does not mean that AI is holding all the 300 pages in its head every time you ask a question. It only holds what fits. So what does this mean for you? Two things, accuracy and risk. So the first one, accuracy. Imagine you upload a 150-page distribution agreement. And the AI context window effectively fits, say, 60 pages, di ba? So, the penalty, for example, the penalty clause is on page 120. Okay? And then you ask, other penalties if we miss secondary display targets? So if page 120 never made it to the context window, the AI can confidently say, well, there are no penalties specified. And that's because it never saw that page. So that's a big inaccuracy on your part. Now, the second one is risk in decision making. So if you rely on AI to review the contracts, prepare for negotiations, and analyze promo structures, a too small context window can quietly hide yung mga penalty clauses, channel-specific pricing exceptions, mga regional overrides. So you think you're being data-driven, pero what the AI is looking at is actually just a fraction of your data. And that's where mistakes become expensive. So now I hope that you understand what context window is. And then the next time that someone in a meeting says context window, you can say context window is basically an AR's short-term memory. That is how much information it can look at the same time. And basically, ang implication on is for us, that means that if our contracts or reports are longer than the limit, the AI might miss important clauses. So we need to match the tool to the size of our document. And if you want a one-page cheat sheet explaining the top AI terms every executive should know, including context windows, tokens, RAG, etc., I've linked it in the description below. You can use it with your leadership team so everyone speaks the same language. Again, this is Jerry Ilaw, the co-founder of OLearn and Tarki and the founding president of the Philippine AI Business Association. See you in the next video.